How to delete YouTube on a JVC Smart TV. If you want to remove the YouTube app from your JVC Smart TV, follow these steps. Step 1. Access the apps menu. Press the Home button. On your JVC Smart TV remote, press the Home button to open the main menu. Go to Apps. Navigate to the Apps section to view all installed apps on your TV. Step 2. Locate the YouTube app. Scroll through the app list. Use the directional buttons on your remote to highlight the YouTube app. Select YouTube, press OK or Enter to highlight the YouTube app. Step 3. Delete or uninstall YouTube. Access the Options menu. Press the Options or Tools button on your remote if available. Alternatively, long press OK or look for a settings icon related to the app. Choose Delete. Uninstall. Select the Delete or Uninstall option. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Step 4. Restart your TV. Optional. After uninstalling the app, restart your TV to ensure all files associated with the app are removed. By following these steps, you can delete or disable the YouTube app on your JVC Smart TV.